What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit. I'm in Austin, Texas for the Green Room event, and I am with
Joe Clay from Merch University here, just here in Austin, checking everything out.
Yeah, so real quick, I just want to talk about Merch by Amazon because there's a lot of people who are looking for different ways to make money, and I know a lot of people on this channel know about eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, private label. But tell people about Merch by Amazon. What is it?
Merch by Amazon, I think one of the main things that attracted me to it is when, I was doing eBay and FBA, but I was in a place of like a kind of a small town where there's hardly any place to source. With Merch by Amazon, you just need your computer, and you can make designs or get find softwares or people who are selling designs, and you can upload all your merchandise just from there. You don't have to be anywhere. You could be in the country, you have, as long as you have Wi-Fi, you're good to go pretty much.
So you create a design, like for example, his shirt right here, there's a design. If you were to create that design on like Photoshop or something, you can literally just upload the file to Merch by Amazon. And when somebody buys that shirt on Amazon, you don't have to ship it or anything. What do they do?
Nope, you just, Amazon will ship it to them. They'll take it. It's called print on demand, so
print on demand.
Print on demand.
When the demand comes, when somebody purchases it, they print the actual graphic on the shirt.
And then they send it, and then you get a royalty, and then whatever you want to price it at. So,
how much money would you say it costs to get started in that business model? Like if somebody wanted to start Merch by Amazon, and what, merchbyamazon.com, right? Is that how you sign up?
Yeah, merchbyamazon.com.
What's the cost to get started?
It's a zero cost. I mean, there's really no cost really at all.
To sign up, no cost?
No cost to sign up.
What about to get the designs created?
Actually, if there's one place that's really good, it's called Make Merch, make-merch.com.
Okay.
And that's like a software, and they actually have all these graphics. They have all these graphics that you can use, and you can use their fonts and everything, and then you just upload a design. It takes like a couple minutes to make one design, and then you'll download the PNG file, and then you'll just straight upload it. It's already sized and everything perfect for merch, and then you just upload it, and then you just fill in the rest of the stuff.
So for the people watching, they might be thinking, well, that's cool, like it's passive, I don't have to ship any physical products, I can work from home, laptop. But what if they're thinking, I'm not a graphic designer?
Yeah,
that's like you're making it sound easy. Is it that easy though?
Yeah.
I mean, to really start making sales?
Yeah, I think it's that easy. Just because a lot of people, especially if you get that program specifically, I think it's good for like newbies, for people who are new, and that'll give you an easy way in, because it comes with all these graphics to choose from, which are all like
is it like Canva where you just pull it over? And,
kind of, you pull it over Canva, and then it's almost like a video game to me. It reminds me of that. And then you just pick a text, and if you want it curved, or if you want it to curve under or straight across or whatever, and then you put what you want, and then pretty much you just push the download button, it downloads that PDF or PNG file right there.
Oh, that's cool. So how long have you been doing Merch by Amazon?
I've been doing it, I've been on since, let's see, April of 2016.
And what kind of results have you been getting?
I have currently over 2,100 sales, and I'm on the
2,100 sales.
Yeah, and I'm on the 4,000 tier right now. So
wow.
Yeah,
so there's tiers, which means you can't just go upload 1,000 items. You kind of have to level up, kind of like how eBay has selling limits.
Yeah,
when you start, they'll be like, you can only sell 10 items for $1,000. Amazon has a tier system where they only allow you to sell a certain quantity of, like you can only upload a certain amount of designs, and I guess as you sell that tier amount, then they tier you up from like 10 to 25. Is that kind of how it works?
Yeah, you start at 10, and if you sell 10 shirts, you say you get 10 slots, you can sell 10. You don't have to sell all 10. You can, one shirt could sell 10. They'll bump you up to 25. You sell 25 of any of those, you'll go to 100, you'll go to, then it just doubles after that, 100. Then, no, actually it doesn't double, it goes to 100 to 500, then 500 to 1,000, 1,000 to 2,000, and then once I sold 2,000, and then I jumped to 4,000. How
much money can you make on each shirt that you sell? Like say you list it for like $17 or something.
If you list it for 17, you could probably make about, I think, if I have mine for 17, I make probably like $3.
$3.
Yeah.
So people may be thinking that's not a lot of money, but
yeah, you don't hold any inventory. I mean, it's just
unlimited quantity. It's not like
quality,
it's not like, we're at a thrift store now in Goodwill. It's not like if I was to buy these Old Navy, whatever these things are. I don't sell
one and done.
One done, it's gone. But you have to pick it, package, ship it, customer service. With Merch, let's just pretend this is a design. You upload it to the shirt, and once it sells, they're gonna print it for you. They're gonna ship it, deal with customer service. If they return it, do you still?
They just recently started where take back the royalty.
CreateSpace, I don't know if the rules change, but CreateSpace, if they refund it, you still create and that's print-on-demand books.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, so for example, my highest shirt, I've sold 175 of them today.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, just one design. And it was only a text-based design. It had like a little color behind it, but really it was just mainly text.
Explain that to them, because a lot of people think you got to come up with some extravagant design for this business, but you can use just text. I know Glenn Zubia of Hustler Hacks talked a lot about that.
Actually, that design, I'll just explain it really quick. There was like a protest going on, and I saw it and I was like, oh, that's pretty, you know, I actually kind of knew some of those people that were going to this protest.
It's like a current event.
Yeah, a current event. And so I kind of just put like a slogan on there. And actually a lot of people started putting the same slogan. And even though I think there was like 500 people that put pretty much the same slogan that I did.
It was like the copycat game.
Yeah, kind of copycat game, but it didn't matter because I still sold 175 of those, you know? So, I mean.
How much did you make on each one?
I was getting like $3 or $4.
So you made like about $600-700 on one design.
Yeah.
How much did it cost you to create that design?
I made that design on my phone, on an app, and it took about 5 minutes.
So 5 minutes to $700 profit. That's cool.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's like, you know, merch by Amazon is kind of like fishing, right? Like every design is like a hook with some bait you throw in the water.
Yeah,
The cool thing is you leave the line in the water pretty much forever.
Yeah.
And every now and then a fish will bite, and then sometimes like it'll just go crazy, and it's pretty cool. It's an interesting opportunity. So
it's a great opportunity.
So what do they need to do to get started right now? Go to merchbyamazon.com?
Yeah, I think it's like merch. It's like, just go to Google Merch by Amazon, and then it'll come up, and then you'll just sign up, and the approval period is weird how it works.
Is it still, they have to get approved from Amazon still?
Yeah, you kind of got to wait approval. This week, I've heard of people getting approved in like a week or so.
Oh, so sign up now, learn it, start getting those lines thrown out, and then you can start making some passive income.
And also, I run a group called Merch University, and we give away tons of free information.
How do they find it?
Just go to Facebook, type in Merch University.
I'll link it up down below as well.
And I just pretty much ask you a question, and that's just mainly just to keep keep people out that are not really for it, and just
there's like bots that join these groups.
So it's just
cool.
Give me a reason why you want to join the merch group.
Awesome. So, hey, Joe, want to thank you, brother. For coming on. Keep crushing it with the Merch by Amazon. And if you guys want to learn more about this business model, he's got a free group over there. Go check it out, and a lot more resources and stuff. So, yeah, thanks, Joe. Appreciate you, brother. All right, guys, I'll see you.
All right, see you.
Bye.